Hey guys, welcome to the show. Now I have a MacBook Pro with 4 terabytes of SSD, and unfortunately for me, I'm actually running out of space. Reason why is I do a lot of video editing, and some of my projects, they take up terabytes in caching because Final Cut Pro pre-renders everything and I lose space quick without me realizing. So I got one of these. This is the Crucial 4 terabyte X6 edition. It supports up to 800 megabytes a second. So hopefully that'll be good enough for my projects. I don't think I need that much, but hopefully it'll be good enough. We're gonna test it out, of course. It supports Windows, Mac, and Android. Massive storage at your fingertips. And the speeds are 800 megabytes a second, 4 terabytes. So inside, tiny, oh, this is so tiny. Look how small this is. Comparison, this is my phone, and you can fit all of this, 4 terabytes. This is gonna be just easy to travel with. Just slip it in your pocket and you can run. This is tiny. I was actually surprised. I didn't realize it'd be this small. Back in the day when I had 4 terabytes as an external drive, it was massive. And the biggest problem with the old school stuff is they actually had spinning hard drives. So if you drop them, they're damaged, you're in trouble, you lose your data, bad sectors, all that stuff. However, with SSDs, obviously if you drop them, you're going to risk them, but they're not as volatile. They're less likely to break. You're testing it out now. Less likely to break if they were a mechanical drive. It's just tiny, lightweight. You can put it in your pocket and they disappear. So first, let's just plug this filler in and go into my Mac. So I've plugged this filler in using my USB hub. I'm actually using USB-A to USB-C. I'm just going to do a test, see how it runs, and then I'll do a test if you plug it directly into your Mac. So we're getting 22 megabytes a second, and reading we're also getting 35. So I think there's definitely a loss of signal right there. So what I'm going to do now is plug it into one of the native USB-C ports of my Mac. USB-C to USB-C. Let's do a quick test. And we're getting, look at that, 742 megabytes a second write and 681 megabytes a second read. So this file right here, it eats up 1 terabyte of file space. And it's just the rendering, the pre-rendering of the files just eats it all up. So slowly, as it renders in the background, it's gonna go ahead and chew up through that files. So what I can do is, I'm gonna measure the rendering speed, rendering out 30 seconds worth of video footage. So we got 30 seconds also on the Crucial. Isn't gonna make or break the difference. So that is a nice win. I think that's a nice, if it works on this massive video file project, like look at how smooth it is. It's now fully rendered out and it's using the Crucial. That's kind of nice. If it works on that, it should work on pretty much a lot of things. One more test I'll do just for generic software. So we used sequential reading and writing, that's video files, because video files you start reading and you just keep on going. Whereas random read and write, that one is a bit more aggressive because that one you're reading and writing lots of different massive files. So let's just see how it performs when using that. So for that, I'm going to use disk mark. Natively, my Mac goes between 40 megabytes to 7,000, depending if it's random or sequential. 40 is the random benchmark, but let's just jump in and see what the Crucial is. So there you go, the results are in. So natively, you're getting 7,000 sequential read. Here, you're dropping down to 580, so it is slower on reading those big chunks of files. However, when it comes to reading random files, you drop from 450 and 40 all the way down to 30 and 30. It is slower, but price range wise, if you're looking to get 4 terabytes with this external portable storage, you can flip it from computer to computer, in the hundreds. If you're looking to get fixed in storage that you can't take away, you're in the thousands. It takes thousands to upgrade the storage on this. So I think, depending on your application's usage, this is a very good deal. So that's the performance. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show.